Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Facebook friend list. So first of all, just open up the Facebook application on your mobile. After opening the Facebook, just tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and then tap on your name. Now if you scroll down, you can see these are my friends and everyone can see my friend list here. Now how can I hide them? So for this, just go back. From here, scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. Now just click on this settings, and in settings you have to search for privacy setting. If you can't find it, just type in the search bar privacy, tap on it. And now if I scroll down a little bit, you will see this option who can see your friend list. So just tap on it and now you will see this will be default on public. So if you want to hide your friend list, you just have to tap on this see more and tap on this only me. So you can choose specific friends except if you want to choose some specific people. But if you want to hide it, you just have to choose this only me and your friend list will be hide from all of your friends. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.